Hey there, Math Explorers! Welcome back to Math Magic! Today we're diving into the exciting world of multiplication with a special focus on the number 11. Are you ready to become a multiplication master? Let's get started! Multiplication is like adding a number to itself multiple times. For example, 3 times 2 is the same as 3 plus 3. But today, we're focusing on the number 11. Multiplying by 11 has some cool tricks that make it super fun and easy to learn. Here we go! When you multiply a single-digit number by 11, you just write that number twice! Easy, right? Now, what happens when we multiply 11 by a 2-digit number? Here's a cool trick! Let's take 12 times 11 as an example. Write the number 12 with a space between the digits, like this. Add the 2 digits together and put the result in the middle. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now we have 132. And there you have it. 12 times 11 equals 132. Let's try another one. 23 times 11. Write 23 with a space, like this. Add the digits 2 plus 3. It equals 5, so it becomes 253. Therefore, 23 times 11 equals 253. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice with a few more examples. I'll give you a moment to solve them, and then we'll check the answers together. Ready? 14 times 11? 14 times 11 equals 154. 35 times 11? 35 times 11 equals 385. Last! What's 47 times 11? 47 times 11 equals 517. Great job, everyone! Great job, everyone! Today we learned the basics of the 11 times table and a cool trick for multiplying double-digit numbers by 11. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing, and soon you'll be a multiplication wizard. Thanks for joining me today on Math Magic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more fun math lessons. See you next time, and keep making math magical!